Hello, welcome back to T's Kitchen. Today I'm going to fix tuna fish my way. Okay, to start off I got 4 cans of starfish tuna. It's in stored in water, light water, and I pre-drained my cans. So, ooh, excuse me. I didn't get my Miracle Whip out. Nor my mustard. Alright. You want to drain the juice off because again, you can make sandwiches or just eat it with crackers and you don't want it watery. That you don't. So I'm going to set these over to the side. Thank you. Alright. Now, I left my knife as well. I'm going to put in, and I took a regular size pickle and I put it in my chopper and made my own relish. And I got a medium onion. I need my knife. And it's in the sink again, I'm washing it. And now I'm going to put some ground black pepper. And I say about half of a teaspoon. Thank you. I'm going to put some onion powder. Always love to do. Onions is always good. Always good. A little zatarains, Creole. That's also good because I don't use salt. I just don't like using salt, period. Well, I'm going to mix this up together. Got a few chunks on here. Now, I have 4 cans of tuna fish, so I'm going to go ever so lightly, 3 across and 2 down, and 1, 2, 3, 4. I would have had this pre-done, but I didn't. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna dice up 5 eggs. How many was that? 1, 2. You know what? Use it to your own discretion. Some like eggy and some don't. I'll put 1. I like eggs. Any kind of way I can get them. So, I'm done with that. Until I get ready to slice some across the top. Now, mustard. I don't put much. I say do a 1 one nice medium squeeze. And I didn't get my spoon. I got it right. There we go. Now, mayo, I'm going to say 1, 2, 3 tablespoons. I, again, use it at, you know, once you get through and you taste it and, you know, add in, you know, you got to do your add-ins. All right, now I'm getting ready to mix this again. See already I know I'm going to need some more Miracle Whip. Yeah. Get another spoon. So how many did I put in? 3? Let's see. Let's try 4. Let's see. See, you look for a certain texture. Not only a certain texture, but a certain taste. I don't like my tuna fish to be too loud. See, now this looks good. Feels good, looks good. Now I'm going to taste it. Make sure it tastes good. All right. I'm out. That ending didn't taste right. Because I don't use salt. Put a little more cream in. I know this will do it. Try it again. I like tasting my food. Don't talk with food in your mouth. I like tasting my food, so I know what I'm giving my loved ones or giving someone. I don't want them to go, ugh, that's nasty. When all I need to do is add a little more something ingredient and it would have been perfect. So. Great. This is good. This is delicious. Now, what I do now is get my paprika. Try to lightly sprinkle it evenly. Not too heavy. Oops. You know what? Could leave it like that, but.
Okay, I'm gonna look up on Facebook.
I'm gonna slice. Egg. Put it on here. Like so. And see, I've been doing this for years. So I'm very careful when it comes to a knife. Very careful. Normally people, I've been and had this organized. A lot better than this. I let my grandson help put the eggs in the pot to boil, and he thought the water was real hot, and he just dropped them, you know, like into the pot, and I was like, "That's not good." He's like, "What, Nana?" I said, "Well, sweetie, before those eggs are done, I'm gonna have white puff all in the pot." And when it happened, I showed him. He's like, "Oh, I see." Bless his heart. Okay. I'll sprinkle a little more paprika on it just for show. All right. Now, voila. How does this look? Looks delicious to me. So, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for maybe 30, 40 minutes. And it'll be ready to serve. And I'll be back to show you how to fix something else on another video.